and the squeezable.
Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. If you came from the last vlog, hi. Will you be able to hear me now? Anyway, what I'm trying to say is I'm vlogging the whole of Italy trip. The first vlog was 24 hours in Florence, which was the last vlog, so if you haven't seen that yet, go watch that first and this will follow on from that. We are about to get a train to Lucca. Never heard of Lucca before actually, but I think it's like a really small town. And we're seeing Ed Sheeran. Huh? Oh my god, a double-decker train. Shall I come back in Sydney? Oh, it was double-decker. Yeah, it's double-decker. We're on the train now, so if you can actually hear me. Probably didn't hear a word of what I just said, but the first time on an Italian train, and they didn't have spaces for the luggage. Well, they have that. If you think my suitcase fitting up there, then you thought wrong. So they're just here. We've got an Airbnb in Lucca. Isn't that film, Lucca? You know that Disney film? Filmed in Lucca. Like, obviously it's not filmed, it's animation, but I think it is. Fun fact. But yeah, going for a meal. Hopefully it doesn't rain, so we just walked to the train station in the rain. Can you believe that? Who's this bigger?
Alright, I do.
You didn't say that.
Can I touch us with
The set list just coming out for Ed Sheeran.
Lego House.
Lego House 18. What's so many most excited to say?
18, my favourite song when I was younger.
The Lego House. Did you just say that already?
Is it 18?
Yeah. Photograph makes me cry. Shivers, banger. Overpass graffiti, banger.
I want some upbeat ones.
So there's Tim. I'm in love with the shape of you. Should fall like a magnet to it. Also, he's doing Love Yourself cover. What? He's doing a Love Yourself cover, so you might bring out GB. That was a joke, by the way. In case you people think I'm stupid.
Vlog time.
Right, we're in. Wait, when did I last vlog? The train?
Yeah.
Okay, it's a couple of hours later. By the way, this is peeling, okay? Just ignore that, because I don't think I've mentioned that in this vlog yet. We had like a 25-minute walk with our suitcases through busy town. It was really hot, but we made it. And then we had a bit of a palaver getting into our Airbnb because they gave us the wrong code for the lock thing, and then the cleaners haven't been, which we only just realised. Well, he told us he hadn't been, but we came and it looked clean. But apparently it's not, because anyway, I'm chatting so much shit, no one cares. I'm going to give you a tour. We've got our own little apartment actually, it's quite cool. Bathroom. You walk in, sit the hallway. Got the bedroom on the right. We made a bit of a mess already, shock. Got the bed. Got a little wardrobe area. And then, whoa! You've got the kitchen. Shutters. What's outside the window? I've not looked. Ah, that looks cool. And then, little living room area. Lovely. We're now going to get ready. Well, I'm just going to change my dress. Probably going to look like I'm wearing the same dress because it's just another little black one. But it's satin. Whoa! Really, you know, making a bit of an effort for my man Ed. Also, I keep forgetting I've seen Ed Sheeran before in Cardiff, but it's not quite Tuscany, is it? Is Lucca Tuscany? I'm pretty sure it is. But this is good lighting. Is it? Yeah. Right, let's get ready. The restaurant is a 3-minute walk away. So I don't mind that, to be honest, because my legs are going through it right now. What are you wearing? What are you wearing for Ed?
Top.
Just a top.
Shoes, check.
Wow. It's very neat, fair play.
Thank you, I'm really good at packing.
What is that? Where's that come from?
I'm just about to tap water down.
We keep this love in a photograph. I'm torn on what shoes to wear. It's gonna be too late. No one's gonna be able to. Oh, sorry. Get out of your way. Oh, we got all the lighting going on in here. Guys, this is my dress. Please, I need to. I haven't fixed my hair or anything on my face, but seriously, look at this. It's not good. Just don't know what to do about it. This is my current sandals. What the hell? Or trainers. I can barely decide. Ready? Let's go. Go for sandals for anyone that was really concerned and needed to know, and you know. Apparel time. Wow, how lovely. Guys, €5 express. That's a sight I've never seen before. Yeah, we're gonna have to get more than one if it's 5. That's like 2 for the price of London. No, like London would be 1 for 10. Okay, you may try. Oh, haven't stirred it.
That's strong.
What's this again? Bruschetta, thank you. Thank you. Oh, that's the truffle. Burrata, ham, Tuscan ham. Not just any ham, right, dig in. It's gonna fall apart now. Ah! It was delicious. I have gone for risotto, balsamic glaze. Oh, parmesan risotto. What have you got? Oh, lasagna. It's the first time in his 23 years that he's ordered lasagna at a restaurant. That's right, yeah?
Yes, that is correct.
Well, tell us what you think. That's kind of fun. Cheesy, you don't like cheesy. Hot?
No, it's not too cheesy.
Really? Okay, good. Ah.
So attractive.
Cheesy?
Is it?
No.
Good. Glad I didn't get that.
Okay, that's fine. Well guys, that was a lovely meal. I'm not allowed to take a camera to Ed Sheeran, so cue the phone clips. It's the best I can do, I'm afraid. Please forgive me. Also, Birdie's, is it Birdie? Yeah, Birdie is supporting Ed Sheeran. You know, the come on, skinny love, just let me in. And also, sunlight keeps creeping in. Okay, huh?
What's the sweets of the rose?
I've got Aiden's worth of sweets. Aiden.
What?
Okay, goodbye. Hi guys. Beer.
They say she's in the class A dream, stuck in her daydream. In this way she's 18. And it's like a cold December, but eventually give you warm. If you wear broken now I'm injured, and I keep you sheltered from the storm that's raging on now. I'm not in touch, I'm not alone. I'm on my way, driving that 19,000. Maybe not, simple as I'm 23. I'm thinking about people fall in love in mysterious ways. Baby, it's a touch of the hand. Give a little time to me. Open inside, we'll play hide and seek. When you got singing, when you got singing, I heard that I didn't see it. When you got did it, when I got beat it. The way that we can tell you that I'm the only thing. Makes us feel alive. We keep this love in a photograph. We make these memories for ourselves. Our eyes are never frozen, hearts are never broken, time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans. No, it's a bad idea. How can I help myself? Inside I'm lost the skin. I thought if you didn't take my help. It's been a while, my dear. Didn't win the cards like that. I'm still holding back these tears. Well, my friends are somewhere else. Just dancing with my eyes closed. I wanna be that guy. I wanna kiss you right. I wanna drink that song. I wanna feel like that. The soul's on fire. I wanna say a good day and all night. Yeah, you got me singing like, ooh, I love it when you do it like that. A million closer, it made you shiver. Give a little time to me. Burn this out, we'll play hide and seek. Turn this around. All I want is the taste of your lips aloud. I'm not.
Oh my god, what a night. Oh my god, guys. Like, just can you just take a minute? I don't even think you can see how wet I am. I'm drenched. Genuinely, if I was to squeeze this dress out right now, like, water would come out. Let's just say the heavens decided to open at Sheeran. I honestly don't think I've ever been in such heavy rain in my life, but I feel like it made the experience, I'm not gonna lie. But yes, my hair is absolutely drenched. I don't even think you can tell. I feel like I've just got out of the shower.
Slay.
It meant that a lot of the songs near the end, my phone was just not working. But I'm just trying to live in the moment. It's hard to get videos for the vlog and live in the moment.
It's an impossible task.
But I did it.
You did it.
It was so good. Like, I'd go as far to say one of the best nights of my life. One of.
For sure.
Ed Sheeran, what a guy. What a guy. Like, I can't tell you how heavy the rain was. Like, I was actually singing with water down my face. But yeah, it was incredible. Done for bed. Good night, folks. My dress needs to dry before it goes in the suitcase in T-minus 10 hours.
You know what?
My dress needs to dry before it goes in the suitcase. And my hair needs to freaking dry. Oh my god.
Hi.
Morning, guys. It's the next day. Sorry, my chest. I've got to address it because otherwise you're all going to be looking at it like, what the hell? It's just... it's one big peeling mess. I'm just going to put my hair in front of that. Anyway, my hair is still absolutely soaked through from the rain from last night. I wish you could have seen what I meant. Like, don't get me. Shush. Like, thinking back to it, like, it was such a good memory. Ed Sheeran in the rain, but...
Rain starts taking over.
Shush.
Pardon, how do you think to shush?
I'm vlogging.
Sorry. Did he cut out of it?
What bit? Who the hell he told shush?
Yeah. I can't paint you in a bad light.
You are in a bad light already. Also, I had a nosebleed last night. Stop being topless in my clips. I used to get nosebleeds all the time because of hay fever. But I got my, what's it called? Cauterized. You know when you get it like zapped? I had that done about 2 years ago now, and I've not had a, look at my chest. I've not had a single nosebleed since. That was pretty random. It was dripping and I didn't have any tissue or anything, so I was like holding it like this and obviously like dripping down my lip. And of course it was so slow, people in front of me whilst I was trying to get to the toilet, and then these really kind couple handed over a packet of tissues and was like, just keep them. I thought, you know what, humanity can be great sometimes, so thanks to them. Saved the day. It says it's meant to rain, but it is blue skies right now, so we'll see. Today's plan is a lot of travelling today, but we're stopping off at Pisa. God, my hay fever. Stopping off at Pisa on the way through to Venice. Yeah, we're going to Venice. I've actually been to Venice before. See, what are they talking about? Goodbye, Airbnb. It's been fun knowing you. Hey guys, we've made it to Pisa. We've actually just had breakfast, but it was so busy. Aiden queued. It must have been like half an hour you queued for. Yeah. We had some scrambled eggs and pain au chocolat. Oh, and an iced chai latte, which was bloody lovely. Vlogging with one hand is hard. This case situation is stressed me out. Mission: find the Leaning Tower. Oh wow. Wow. Where's the subway man?
We inform you that the Settembre 9420 train is ready to depart, waiting for the authorization from the control room that we expect to have shortly.
Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. Lara's really travel sick.
Very bad.
Guys, thanks for watching the last vlog.
What a way to end the vlog. I just need to look straight ahead as I talk. It's on the way to Venice. Oops, spoiler alert. Thanks for watching if you watched all the way through. Pisa was average. Not sure I'd recommend it if you have your suitcases, but hey ho. Well, I'm gonna go now before I throw up. See you in my next Italy vlog, where we take Venice. Venezuela.
Yeah, we're going to Venice.